The age-old question. How much money do day traders make? Now, I'm sure we've all heard of that famous statistic, 90% of day traders, blah, 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 fail, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to go ahead and make it even more difficult and ask this question. How much money do day traders make in a more slower, more difficult market? A market where opportunities are few and far in between, where every single day feels like you're just trying to squeeze that last bit of liquid out of that rock, if there's even any liquid there to begin with. Now, I'm going to show you guys how I did exactly just that in the month of September, finishing the month with a solid green profitable month. And not only that though, doing so without any losing days. That's right, no red days in the month of September. A perfect all green month. Gonna talk about that, talk about broker statements. Of course, if you guys hear somebody make a claim like that where they finish an entire month without a single losing day, well, I'm sure you probably want to see some proof, which is fair. So we're going to show you guys the broker statement. We're going to talk about how I pulled it off, how I did it, talk about it all in this video. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Madaz, and if you guys just missed it, that was actually a quick Danish lesson because the word for hi in Danish actually, well, is hi. You guys don't believe me? You guys can go ahead and look it up on Google. But the reason why I'm talking about this is because I'm actually on vacation here on my mobile setup in Copenhagen. And let's go ahead and address the giant elephant in the room. And of course, this is the broker statements. You guys want to see some proof? Let's go ahead and jump right in and talk broker statements. All right, guys, so this is the broker statement from September the 1st to September the 30th. This is the actual broker statement. As you can see, I can highlight this. This is not a screenshot. Don't be fooled by some of the guys out there that say they're posting their broker statement, but in reality, they're just showing you a screenshot that they can totally alter with Photoshop. You can also see that I'm also recording this using my camera as opposed to just recording my screen, just to show you that this really is something that's authentic and not photoshopped. So you can see right there, the month started strong, $4,000, $2,000, $3,000. It's a pretty nice typical start to a September that you would expect. But progressively over the month, you know, things really slowed down. $800 there, a couple $2,000 days left. But you can see there, the profits went down a little bit, and then toward the end of the month, I think the last day, I only made $300 right there. So $300 on that last day, September the 30th. But you can see though, net profits, $30,000, $30,010 and 15 cents. You all see that end up with negative ECN fees. So got a rebate, a net rebate there from adding liquidity. This is something I always talk about. Reducing your fees by getting ECN rebates. You can see my commissions there as well, $1,400 over the course of a month. Not bad at all. A lot of you guys are wondering about my commissions, but $30,000, man, in a slow month of September, that's pretty awesome. If you ask me, I'm going to take it. All right, guys, so this is the same statement here, but except it's now sorted by ticker symbol, so you can take a look at it. Again, not any standout tickers there that jump out of the page. EDSA, you know, $3,800, ELTK, $3,200, a couple $2,000 tickers, but you know, nothing really jumping out of the page. It was the kind of month September was. It was slow, you know, good start again, but you know, it really fizzled out. We're going to talk about it in the rest of this video, but you can see right there a lot of just mediocre plays for the most part, but it still add up nicely though, $30,000. You know, it's still a pretty good month overall, despite sometimes the lack of action. All right, guys, so just for comparison, I just want to show you guys what an epic month looks like in comparison to what we just saw with September being the slower month. This is, of course, March 1st to March 31st.
which is of course when we had that epic $50,000 BPTH day. And if you guys have not seen that awesome epic live trading video, check it out. There should be a link in the top right hand corner of this video. Awesome day, 3 hours of trading, $50,000 on BPTH. You can see right there, BPTH, the standout ticker. So usually on an epic month, you have at least one standout ticker. You can see some of the epic secondary plays as well. $6,000, $3,000, a lot of $4,000, $6,000, $3,000. So this is what an epic month looks like, guys. Look right there, $108,000, almost $110,000 in just 1 month, guys. Really, really epic stuff. This is what's possible with trading, guys. This is what you can do with trading. You get a couple plays, get some nice action going. Again, guys, November, December, traditionally the best months of the year. Traditionally, when we can pull off this type of profits again. So looking forward to it. Again, $110,000, man. That is just astonishing.
All right, so now that we got the broker statements out of the way, pretty epic, solid month of September, $30,000 despite a slow month. Great way to end it. Let's go ahead and talk about how these tickers played out and how September played out in general. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and give a quick shout out to Centerpoint Securities for sending me this awesome shirt. They've been my broker for, 3-4 years now. Very reliable US-based broker. And if you guys are interested in short selling small cap stocks, they're the place to go. Link in the description. So let's go ahead and talk about the tickers that were in play. EDSA was probably one of the better tickers, if not the best ticker. You see right here on the screen, EDSA was actually a stock that lasted all day, good volume, consistent volume all day. It squeezed up, it offered trades on both sides, and this is an ideal stock that we want to see. And this is how September started off. September is traditionally a pretty good month, and it looked like it was going to be a typical September. I was looking forward to it. Looking forward to trading stocks like EDSA all month long. This was on September the 5th where it gave us this nice little move from 4 all the way up to almost 8. And this is my best ticker all month, $3,800 on this ticker, EDSA. ELTK was another stock that I traded. This stock, squeezed on the last day of August, and then it basically double topped on the first day of September. So nice little wick and slam here, pop, double top here, 7.2, and then fade. But you notice the volume is getting kind of light there. So the volume is not the best, but still walked away $3,200 on ELTK. Fran was one of the few stocks that actually was a multi-day runner. You can see that started running on September the 10th right there, going from 6 all the way up to 10, $12 after hours the next day. They kept going and going and going and going. $18 there, holding that 13 area, going up to 18. Faded for a couple days and then squeezed up again, going up to $19. So Fran was a good one. Ended up pocketing $2,300 on Fran. But for the most part, there was no standout ticker. That's kind of a component that you need to have a really epic month, or at least a lot of decent tickers like EDSA that last all day long. We didn't really have that standout ticker or that EDSA ticker every single day. So that was a problem. Cool was a stock that I made $1,900 on. Decent gain there. But again, nothing too crazy, nice little play at the open. You see the volume kind of dissipating there, trading well below 100,000 shares by 12 o'clock. This is a theme in September. September had a great start, and then eventually a lot of the liquidity faded off. Stocks would only last for about an hour or so, then fade off into no volume and nothing. Trove yesterday was a good example of that. $1 stock, only 15 cents a range. You can't really do much when the range is this tight. Volume gone by 11 o'clock. PRPO, you see here, one big move, and then by 10 o'clock rolling around there. Nothing there. Volume dropping well below. Looking like after hours type volume. two major events in September that probably contributed to the lack of liquidity toward the end. The big giant offering on PSTV, man, this is some brutal stuff. $17 pre-market here, and then it ended up the day down in the threes, $3-4 area. Look at this halt, man. Can't even fathom what this would feel like if you were along this thing, going from 10 all the way down to 4 on the resumption, man. No chance, no mercy to get out. Yuma, the stock also had an offering, so there were two major offerings that really probably killed the momentum this month. The offering on PSTV was on the 23rd. The offering on Yuma was right here on September the 11th. You see right there the dump from 440 down to the sub threes. So, this kind of probably scared people from going long and holding stocks, buying new stocks. Nobody was trusting the plays, not trusting the market anymore. So that really probably contributed to the lack of liquidity toward the end of the month. But it is what it is, guys. Discipline, don't FOMO, follow your rules. The thing that kept me perfect this month with the all green month without any losing days was realizing that once the volume was gone, once the range was gone, it was time to walk away. Even on days that you guys saw in my broker statement where I was only up $300, I just had to take it and walk away. If I were to force some trades to try to turn that into $1,000, I'd probably end up negative $1,000. We all know that's how the market works. And there's no opportunity, there's no edge. The correct move is always to walk away. So that's exactly what I did, guys. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing special, nothing super complicated. Really just recognizing that there's no volume left. You see right there, for example, on Yuma, no range sideways here from 11 o'clock on, no volume. Then you wouldn't be, trying to long and getting stuck in this dump, the offering dump. So, just sticking to the rules, just sticking to discipline. Definitely the key to why I ended up finishing September without any red days whatsoever. Now looking forward to October, November, and December, the end of the year. Traditionally very good months. October last year we had the wheat stocks, TLRY, Cron, CGC, IGC, NBEV. If I recall correctly, I pocketed about $70,000 in profits last October. So very much so looking forward to some plays there, at least some sort of EDSA type ticker all day. That would be every day. That would be nice because that means that there's a chance to make $3,000, $4,000 every day on a stock like EDSA. We can at least get that going. There's definitely a chance for a pretty solid $60,000, $80,000 month. On a ticker that lasts all day like this with good volume, consistent volume. But November traditionally, as you guys know, tickers like DRYS, Elfin, KBIO, Hall of Fame tickers that have taken place and done their thing in November. Looking forward to it, man. We haven't had a big epic squeezer since BPTH in March, so we are long overdue for that. It's been 6 going on 7 months, guys. So let's finish this year strong. Let's get some plays. Let's make some money. Let's get that 6-figure month. Let's bring home the bacon, baby. So if you guys are looking forward to more awesome day trading content here on this YouTube channel, do me a favor, guys. Give me a like, subscribe, leave some comments below on what you guys want to see. Show me some support, guys. That way I can make some more awesome day trading content right here. This is probably the only day trading YouTube channel right here that shows big money, real big money live day trading examples. None of that hindsight BS. None of that, 100 shares lunch money type stuff. This is the big leagues, guys. This is some big money being thrown around. If you guys don't believe me, check out any of my big money, day trading, day trading examples. BPTH, $50,000 in 3 hours. Elfin, $45,000 in 6 minutes. A couple other Elfin videos as well. I think $20,000 in like a minute and 22 seconds or something like that. Some big, high adrenaline, high octane trades, guys. So give me some support. Again, guys, let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll be right there looking to make some more awesome content for you guys for many years to come. So, the market's actually opening pretty soon, so I actually got to get ready and try to start off this October strong. So this is Madaz, guys. Talk to you guys later.